In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type 0 in Google Sheets. You might have run into this pesky problem where you try to input 0, especially at the beginning of a number string, only to have it disappear or get replaced. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can keep those zeros exactly where you want them. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll find the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small grid of dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. A menu with various Google applications will pop up. Among the options, you're going to see Sheets, Google's answer to Excel. Click on Sheets and you'll be taken to your Google Sheets dashboard. In your dashboard, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or start a new one. For demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and open an existing spreadsheet where you want to make those 0 entries count. Now, look through your spreadsheet and find the cells or the range of numbers where you need to add zeros. Once you've highlighted these numbers, direct your attention to the menu at the top of your screen. You'll see an option that reads Format. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu. You're going to select the number option from this list, but don't stop here. Scroll further down to find an option that says Custom Number Format. Click on that. A new dialog box will appear, allowing you to input a custom format. In this field, type in 5 consecutive zeros. Doing this tells Google Sheets to respect any 5-digit number you enter, including those starting with 0, and maintain the format you've specified. So 0 at the beginning of your sequence won't vanish anymore. Now that you've entered your custom format, it's time to apply it. Look for the Apply button at the bottom of that dialog box and click it. Congratulations! Any number you input, even those cheeky little zeros, will appear exactly as you formatted them. So whenever you type a number beginning with 0, Google Sheets will now understand that you want that 0 preserved. And that's all there is to it. With this method, you'll never have to worry about missing zeros in your spreadsheets again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.